Hi everybody, and welcome to the Anthem of the Seas. Today we're going to give you a quick little room tour of a super sweet little cabin that we came across. So we are cabin number 13230 aboard the Anthem of the Seas. This is an interior studio cabin. So this cabin can be booked for only a single person. Come on in. So as you walk in, you can see that this cabin does connect to another stateroom, as well as a third stateroom over here. So come on in, this is 13230. So keep in mind, this is just a single studio cabin. It has a double bed here in the corner, tons of storage space up at the top. It also offers a virtual balcony, which is really nice and has a view of Southampton right now outside. Gives you an idea of what the weather looks like. It has an ample size closet, especially for just a single person. Has a smaller safe down below, definitely won't fit a laptop or even an iPad, but it should hold your passport and your money and all your valuables. There's also laundry service here in the closet. If there's anything you'd like to send out or have pressed, you can do so. And down below are two large drawers. Your thermostat is over here to the right, and then in this little corner is a big flat screen TV, as well as a little sitting chair, your hair dryer, an Anthem of the Seas book, and your mini fridge down below. The fridge is on the smaller side, so it definitely can't fit much in there, but it is nice and cold for you. And then also right when you walk in to the right is a large size mirror. The bathroom in this stateroom is pretty large. I would say it has a bigger shower than most standard balcony staterooms. And it does offer the glass door, which is very nice. So thanks for watching this video, everyone. Again, this is a studio interior cabin here on board the Anthem of the Seas. If you're interested in booking a cabin like this or any Royal Caribbean sailing, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. Thanks. Thanks for watching and safe travels.